To send money from Pakistan to Ireland, you can follow these steps. First, choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or online services like Payoneer, TransferWise, or Xoom. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare them to find the best option for your needs. Next, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's full name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring directly to their bank account. You will also need to provide your own identification and contact information. Then, create an account with the chosen money transfer service, either online or in person at a local agent location. Verify your account by providing the required documents, such as a passport or national ID card, and a proof of address. After verifying your account, log in and initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Choose the transfer method, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, and review the fees and exchange rates. Once you have confirmed the transfer details, pay for the transfer using a payment method accepted by the service, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or cash deposit. You will receive a reference number or tracking code to monitor the status of the transfer. The recipient can then receive the money in their bank account, pick it up in cash at a local agent location, or receive it in their mobile wallet, depending on the chosen transfer method. Make sure to inform the recipient of the reference number or tracking code, so they can track the transfer and receive the money. It is essential to be aware of the exchange rates, fees, and transfer times associated with each service, as well as any tax implications or regulations that may apply to international money transfers. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can securely and efficiently send money from Pakistan to Ireland.